Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful and elegant Valentine's Day special love box or heart shape box. This is made using paper quilling strips. So this is the flower and we'll open this box like this. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some red, pinks and off-white color 5mm strips, liquid glue, silicone glue, half cut pearls, some red, off-white and sap green color 3mm quilling strips, quilling tool, white color mount board or any cardboard, red color paper and maroon color thick cardstock. First I have cut this heart on cardboard which measures 10 cm by 10 cm. So now I am taking one more red color paper little bit bigger than this heart, and now I will attach this cardboard heart on this red color paper like this. Now cut all the edges using scissors and make some small slits. Now add glue on these slits and fold like this. In the same way I will do for whole heart. So after adding all slits it will look like this. Now I am adding one more maroon color heart on the top of this. This is the same size heart as mount board heart. So base is ready. Now I am taking half strip of maroon color and making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 cm. Like this. In the same way I have created 80 tight coils. Now take your base and I will add these tight coils around the edge of heart. So add tight coils one by one. Similarly I will add on other side. So it's done. Now I'm taking these two maroon color cardboard strip which measures 14 cm by 4 cm, and I am taking two strips of same measurement. Now I'm adding little glue inside this heart and I will attach this strip like this. Hold it for some time. So it's done. In the same way I will add other strip on other side of heart. So add glue and connect the strip like this. Again hold it for some time. So it's done. I have added two strips of red paper on both the sides for the support. Like the base, I have created one more base for the lid of the box with the same process. So we'll connect the lid with box like this. Now I am making one line on the box after adding the lid. So we will leave this gap when we will decorate this box with quilling shapes. I will show you how to make this tight coil. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of pink color and making one tight coil like this. In the same way I have created total 42 coils. Now I will show you how to make this tight coil. For this I am taking half strip of maroon and 1/4 strip of off-white. Secure the end. So it's ready. In the same way I have created total 33 coils. Now I will show you how to make these shapes. For this I am taking half strip of light pink color, make one loose coil and make a teardrop shape like this. In the same way I have created total 33 teardrops and total 42 teardrops using light peach color, and these small red teardrops using 1/4 strip, and I have created total 33 red teardrops. Now I will add all these shapes on the box. So first I am adding these peach color teardrops like this. So complete this row. So it's done. Now I am adding small pink color tight coils between these teardrop shapes. Like this. So it's done. Now for the third row I am adding these big tight coils one by one around the heart shape. So third row is ready. Now I am adding pink color teardrops like this for the last row, and in between these pink teardrops I am adding red color small teardrop shapes like this. So complete this row. So after adding all the shapes, the box will look like this. Isn't it beautiful? Now I will add one 5mm red color strip around the top of this box for the finishing look. So just add 5mm strip around this heart shape. So after adding the strip, it will look like this. So the base box is ready. Now I will decorate the lid. For this I am taking this bottle cap. The diameter is 2 cm and I am wrapping one 3mm maroon strip around this bottle cap. Here I am making one ring and my one strip length is 45 cm. So the ring is ready. Secure the end and pinch it slightly to make a teardrop shape. Now I am taking one more red color strip and I am here doing beehive technique. So make a loose coil, open this, again start making loose coil from little distance and do this process till the end of the strip. Like this. Now I will fill this beehive design inside this teardrop shape. So add glue and connect whole beehive pattern using your fingers. Do it slowly and carefully. So the petal is ready. In the same way I have created 7 large petals and 6 small petals using 1.5 cm bottle and total 5 small beehive petals using 1 cm bottle. Now I am taking one piece of paper and adding some silicone glue on this. Now I am arranging the flower. So first I am adding large petals around in the circular shape. After that I am adding medium size petals and now I am adding small size petals. So the flower is ready. Now take a lid again and I will add some half cut pearls on top of this lid. So I am taking this half cut pearl chain. If you don't have half cut pearl chain, you can also add some stones or punched flowers. So I will do with other side. So it's ready. Now I am connecting the flower in the center like this, and in the same way as flower I have created these leaves using sap green color in the leaf shape. So now I am connecting these leaves in 3 corners. So lead is ready. So I will attach the lead with box. So box is completed. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing my videos. See you next time. Bye bye.